how to change the mouse and trackpad wheel scrolling speed to slower or faster on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and in here tap on general management. After that, scroll down and then tap on mouse and trackpad. Then tap on wheel scrolling speed. Now at the bottom here is a slider bar, so you can drag on it to we can drag on it to the right to make it faster, or you can drag it to the left to set it to a slower scrolling speed. So just try it out and test it out, and once you are comfortable with the set speed, then you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.